Hi guys, in this video we are going to see the review, demo and the instruction for the Pigeon pressure cooker 5 liter. So let's get started. And the cooker come in this kind of box. So the MRP of 5 liter pressure cooker is 1895, but you get this one at rupees 899 from Amazon. And the first thing in the box is warranty card, and this comes with 5 years of warranty, so keep this safely. Here we have our standard silver color pressure cooker. It's pretty lightweight, 1 kg 720 gram, and it's made up of aluminium. It is 18 centimeter deep and it has a flat base which is induction compatible also. The dimension of the cooker is 21 by 33 by 18 centimeter and the handle is of plastic body. You can see one screw here right under the handle and there is no other visible screw. And here we have the lid of the cooker. Lid handle has a good grip. See the gadget here. Make sure that you clean the gadget with cold water after every use. So to open and close, there is a locking option also given. So this uplifted part has to be fixed in the cooker handle where there is an option for it. So place the lid properly such that the lid handle is right above the body handle, and now you close it like this. The cooker has 5 liter of capacity, which is perfect for a family of 5, and there are other options also available which is from 2 liter to 10 liters. I'm gonna cook dal in this, and yes, never fill the cooker full. You can fill up to maximum 2/3 of its capacity, and you get the first whistle within 5 minutes and then 2 minutes every second whistle. And the whistle sound. I didn't notice any water or dal discharge. The cooker was all clean. So for the cleaning instruction, always use a soft sponge, else it's an aluminium cooker and you will see scratches everywhere. Coming to the cons, if you see, I have used cooker only for once for cooking dal and I have got this black marks on the cooker. So this is disappointing. And the second thing is, the gadget of this cooker is not easily available. The simple round gadget like this, it's easily available and affordable. So overall, I didn't like it very much, but looking at the price point, it's definitely an affordable option. And if you want to buy this cooker, the link I have given in the description box. And if you find the video useful, subscribe. Bye bye.